What up, meat morphers? I'm just kidding, guys. What up? Welcome to the vlog. I never did vlogs before, so this is my first one. Oh my gosh. Anyways, it has been raining like crazy. Well, not right now. This is what it looked like before. One. Where's the next one? Two. Next, come on. Three. I saw another one in the freeway. Okay, where's the other one? Come on. Come on, cars, come on. Get to it. 4, 5. On the freeway. 6 on the freeway. And enough of that. There has been thunder last night. Let me show you the video that I did on the last one, since you didn't see it. Anyways, there's lightning! Where's the lightning? I must see the lightning. Wait, I need my sunglasses. I need my chunkless. Okay, where is it? Are you serious, Upsana?
Oh, I saw a flash that way.
Woo! What a nice picture. I need to take it. Did I take it? I did. I see the sun. Did you see that? Did you see that? I saw a flash. Why is it going this way? Now it used to be over there, now it's going this way. We should probably get inside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, never mind. Let's stay outside.
It's funny, it was all cold, the sign
It's turning like it's gonna be a sad day.
whitefish.
I
No,
think-
it's not sad.
So why is the earth crying, Upsana? Why is the earth crying?
It's not crying.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Whoa. That must have been a crazy night. Like one time, and later, like an hour later, I was supposed to eat dinner, but like my sister was like, "Hey, can we go to the library to get some books?" I'm like, "Sure, why not?" And then later, when I got in the car or when I was outside, it started raining again. Like, I don't get it. Like, whenever I get outside, it starts raining. When I get inside, it stops. And I'm like, what? Oh my gosh. It's probably gonna do it's probably gonna do it on Sunday, I'm not sure. There's nothing to do really now. Badminton. Set. Alright. I got my badminton racket. Let's see how we can do this. So first level is the birdie. Alright. This is the birdie. Let's see how long I can juggle. Dang it. I should get like a camera person, really. So I can follow my every movements. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Dang it. On to the next level. Next level is a tennis ball. And yes, I did get this from the fair. Now this is a ball, so let's see if it can bounce on the ground. Okay, let's just set. Alright. Come back. Dang it. Okay, the last one you might have saw from Casual News. Bring in the volleyball. It didn't. This is the volleyball. I'm checking my phone. Oh, you are awake. There's checking. I think not coming. Okay. Let's see how long this will last. Now this ball can go up and go down, even when it stays. That's it for that. Now you're probably thinking, this guy's lazy. He ain't gotta do vlogs daily. And you're right, I'm not. But I'm gonna try. But I'm gonna try to do it at school, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna do it at school because usually I'm breaking lunch. I'm always bored. Like, since most of my friends are at Foothill and Beckman, like the ones that I usually hang out with. No offense to you, others. No offense to you other guys. But I'm usually bored on, break your lunch. Usually I just go eat and then just walk around campus. But that's gonna change Monday, when I am going to vlog. Anyways, thank you for watching this. My first ever vlog that I ever did. Well, I'm not sure about first. And you're probably wondering, where's the New York vlog? Where's the New York vlog? It's coming soon. I'm sure of that. I'm gonna start editing today. I'm gonna try to edit today, and then it's gonna come later this week or next week. And yes, there will be a Halloween and other stuff vlogs. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace!